we are back. Let's get straight into it. 1967 Buick Riviera. She got a set of 20-inch spokes and vogues. And remember, guys, they always can be purchased with or without the wheels. You can put the stock ones on and she'll still be beautiful. Paint is in good condition. She got the 430 cubic inch 7-liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. Frame and floor panels are solid. Lower doors are solid. It's just something about the Rivieras. The styling. They absolutely beautiful. As y'all can see, the paint is in good condition. Checking out the top. Driver side floor pans. She has some surface, but it's all solid metal. She can be knocked down and treated. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs and the lower doors. As y'all can see, she is nice and solid. Interior's in good shape. She got power windows, power locks. Seats show minor wear. Headliner. Let's check out this dash. Mileage reads a little over 86,000. Upper dash. Lower. Back seat nice and clean. Package tray. She has the big block 430 cubic inch 7-liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic, power brakes, power steering, AC. Let's start her up. Go over and visit rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information going to be in the description below. Thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a good one. Stay tuned for the next one.